As a nutritionist, I have seen firsthand the impact that healthy eating can have on a person's overall well-being. It's not just about losing weight or fitting into a certain size of jeans. It's about fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. One of the most important tips I can give you for healthy eating is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods. This means choosing foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect your body from disease and keep you feeling your best. Another key tip is to pay attention to portion sizes. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if you eat too much of them. One easy way to control your portions is to use smaller plates and bowls. This can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. And remember, it's okay to indulge in your favorite treats every now and then. Just be mindful of how much you're eating. It's also important to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help keep your energy levels up, improve your digestion, and even help you lose weight. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're exercising or in a hot climate. When it comes to meal planning, try to include a variety of colors on your plate. Different colored fruits and vegetables contain different nutrients, so eating a rainbow of produce can help ensure you're getting a wide range of vitamins and minerals. And don't forget about protein. Aim to include a source of lean protein in every meal to help keep you feeling full and satisfied. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to eat healthy is finding the time to cook. But preparing your own meals can be a great way to control what goes into your food and save money in the process. Try batch cooking on the weekends to have healthy meals ready to go throughout the week, or invest in a slow cooker to make cooking dinner a breeze. When it comes to snacking, try to choose nutrient-dense options like nuts, seeds, yogurt, or fruit. These snacks can help keep your energy levels up between meals and prevent you from reaching for unhealthy options like chips or candy. And if you're craving something sweet, try reaching for a piece of dark chocolate or a small serving of fruit to satisfy your sweet tooth. Finally, don't forget about the importance of listening to your body. Pay attention to how certain foods make you feel. Do you feel energized and satisfied, or sluggish and bloated? Everyone's body is different, so it's important to find what works best for you. And remember, healthy eating is not about perfection. It's about making small, sustainable changes that can lead to big results over time. In conclusion, healthy eating is a key component of overall wellness. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, controlling portion sizes, staying hydrated, and meal planning, you can fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Remember to listen to your body, make small changes, and be kind to yourself along the way. Your body will thank you for it.